are looking to set up an online asset management platform, which is an open platform for both portfolio managers on one side and investors on the other side. So a trader, a portfolio manager could come and showcase their strategy, show their returns, and we can verify their track records, evaluate their strategies, and make it openly available to people who are on the platform, the investors. And then there is an algorithm that does a matching, some kind of a recommendation system, you can think about it as, which is doing a matching that, okay, for an X investor, there is this P, Q, and R trading strategies which are run by these traders, and there is an allocation, an asset allocation that can happen over there. So it's effectively a marketplace for both traders and investors to kind of meet each other and get access to each other. Yeah, so what it also does is, see, if I were to ask, so having run a fund for 2 years, as a senior PM there. So if you want to start an asset management company, there's a lot of regulations, compliance, hurdles, operational aspects, everything to it. And that itself, when you tell a trader who knows how to, let's say, make money or do a proper asset allocation, that same person may not know how to handle all the other nuances of running a business, an asset management business. So that's where we are trying to step in, where we can say, okay, you do what you're good at and let us handle the other things using technology, so that makes your life a lot easier. The main difference is that in a typical robo-advisor, you have these ETFs or stocks or whatever instruments that people basically get access to. Typically, it's basket of ETFs. If you look at Betterment, Wealthfront, or other things, there could be some other strategies which are using these ETFs. But what we are doing is the problem we're trying to solve is somewhat different. So we think of ourselves as a platform. So think of it like an American Idol of investments. So where every trader can come and become a product, their trading strategy becomes a product. Now that is something that is not available on the exchange anywhere. But that is something where we are giving a chance, and to get discovered to the whole world, and they can actually showcase their skill. So while we can have the standard ETFs and things like that, but getting a platform, where we don't own the content is owned by these traders, portfolio managers, and the investors are getting access to them to just subscribe to each other. So that's the thing that we're delivering. And the other thing what we're doing is we're also going ahead by executing the transactions for the investor. So if an investor says, I want to copy or replicate the strategy of trader X and Y, so our technology using APIs, we actually replicate the trades of trader X and Y in investor A's account.